Role of nasal endoscopy in epistaxis. We find that in epistaxis it's not advisable to just do an anteronasal packing. This is case 1. It's better to do a nasal endoscopy during an episode of epistaxis. We find a lot of cases with telangiectatic nodules. Here you can see the first case. The second case, you can see a small nodule in the floor of the left nasal cavity, and this is called the provocation test. We use a small ball probe and just tease it. You can find that the bleeding comes from that particular nodule. And if we find such nodules, then it is better to cauterize it with bipolar diathermy. We have found such nodules in several cases. The easy way to, this is the third case, you can see an acute septal spur on the left side, and you can find a very small nodule. I am doing the provocation test now, and you can find that once you touch it, it starts bleeding, and this is the provocation test, and then you can cauterize it. Now when there is a case of epistaxis, it's better to do the endoscopy in the reverse manner. Then just trace the blood from the choana backwards, and if you see the streak of blood, it will lead you on to the site of epistaxis. This is a very useful procedure, the test. Here in this patient, it was a very interesting case. We traced the blood streak from the choana, and it led us on to the inferior meatus. You can see the posterior end of the inferior meatus. You can see that is the telangiectatic nodule, and once we did the provocation test, it started bleeding. So this is the site from which the patient has had epistaxis. Now we can cauterize it. So this is finding which we have in many of our cases of epistaxis. Thank you.